How to make soap using virgin coconut oil, carrot juice, and pomegranate juice. The first thing na ginawa ko is to measure the amount of my water. Next is to measure the amount of my carrot juice. Ito po ang carrot juice na ito ay nabili ko lang sa grocery store at I make it assure na 100% carrot juice po ang ingredient. Ibig pong sabihin, wala po siyang water content, talagang extracted from the carrot. So, nakita niyo po yung pomegranate juice is also 100%. So, these are the liquids that I'm going to use to dilute my sodium hydroxide. So, what I did is just to mix the three: water, carrot juice, and pomegranate juice. By the way, the ingredients ay pagkatapos po ng sa last part ng video na ito. So, i-mix lang po natin kung susundin nyo ito. The water, the carrot juice, and the pomegranate juice. This time, I'm measuring, I'm gonna weigh in the amount of lye na gagamitin ko. By the way po, yung aking liquids, after na i-mix ko, nilagay ko po siya sa freezer para mag-cool. So, after an hour, tsaka ko pa lang siya inalis. Ang lye po na ito ay food grade. Next is weigh in ko yung virgin coconut oil na gagamitin ko. Next is weigh in the amount of my fragrance oil. And then weigh in the colorant. This colorant is coming from annatto seed. These are the equipments, soap supply that I use. This is the soap mold coming from nurturesoap.com. I use hand mixer, gloves din po, at meron din po akong spatula. By the way po, ang water content ko ay distilled water. At syempre sa pagsusukat ng mga ingredients, kailangan ng weighing scale. This time around, we're going to mix our colorant and the virgin coconut oil. We just mix the fragrance oil and the virgin coconut oil. Afterwards po, after an hour or mahigit an hour, I get the liquid from the freezer. Kaya mapapansin niyo po, nag-cool po siya. Nag-freeze po yung yung nasa side na water content. Tapos ibinuhos ko lang po yung sodium hydroxide sa liquid ko. Habang ginagawa niyo po yan, pagpupour ng sodium hydroxide sa liquid ninyo, i-mix po ninyo para matunaw po talaga yung sodium hydroxide. Now we have a lye solution, a combination of liquid and sodium hydroxide. It's called lye solution. Now our oil to be used is ready. So, pour po natin yung ating lye solution into the oil. Afterwards, mix lang po natin hanggang magsapon-napay ang ating oil at lye solution. By the way po, yung fragrance oil na ginamit ko dito, maganda po talaga siya. Hindi po siya nagdudulot ng acceleration ng soap butter. Hindi rin po siya nagdudulot ng volcano effect kung tawagin. At hindi po siya basta-basta na lang maglalapot ang soap butter. Kaya po habang minimix ko ito, talaga pong nasa light trace ang aking soap butter. This time around, I'm going to pour my fragrance oil. Actually po, sa pag ako gumagawa ng sabon, yung last na step na ginagawa ko ay yung pag-pour ng fragrance oil. After mixing and pagkatapos po na talagang yung sa palagay nyo, ready na yung soap butter ninyo, just ready your soap mold and then ilagay na po natin yung soap butter. At ito na po ang kinalabasan ng ating paggawa ng sabon. Kanina po, kulay orange ang oil, nagkulay orange ngayon. Ang soap butter ay nag-turn into yellow. Color yellow. At ito naman po ay ang ating recipe. Maraming salamat po sa pag-watch. Bye!